Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. How were your holidays? I hope you have enjoyed your summer holidays, and I believe that you people might have definitely studied a little bit and also enjoyed with your parents being at home safe. So, quickly, let us get back to our academics. Let us start studying from today onwards. So in today's class, we are just going to revise what we have studied before our summer holidays. Chapter number 1, let us just quickly revise it. Yes, the chapter which we studied before our summer holidays was My Body. And we have done this activity and named all the body parts, right? Head, nose, hands, neck, all these. And we studied about our different sense organs, correct? So, how do we taste? With the help of our tongue. How do we understand about the different temperature or texture? By the sense of touch through our skin. How do we understand and make a difference between loud sound and gentle sound, pleasant sound and the unpleasant sound? With the help of our third sense organ, what it is? Our ears. We see different colorful things in and around us. And how, which sense organ helps us? Yes, it is our eyes which helps us to see the different picture view in and around us. Correct? And the different fragrances which we smell in, the different nice fragrances which we get it from the different food which is prepared at our kitchen, the flowers in the garden. Which sense organ helps us? Yes, it is our nose which helps us. So how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. That is tongue, skin, ears, eyes, and nose. So these are all the sense organs which are present to help us sense the various things present around us. So quickly, let us just recapitulate what is the tongue. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of different food items. It is very sensitive. It even helps us to find out various flavors present in the different food items. Correct? For example, tasting our cookies, our biscuits, our chocolates, our ice creams, our chutneys, our sauces, and whatnot. And we have studied the different parts of our tongue. The tip of our tongue is taste the sweet. Whatever we eat a sweet, the front taste buds of our tongue helps us to understand the sweetness. Back of our tongue is bitter. The sides of our tongue helps us to understand the sour and salty taste. Yes, our tongue has 3,000 taste buds, correct? Our tongue is strongest muscle in our body and an average length of the tongue is 10 centimeters. Yes. Now let's move towards ears. Whenever we go out, we often hear lots of different sounds. What are they? Yes, we hear lots of birds chirping sound. We hear lots of animals barking sounds, children playing sound, different vehicle sounds. Correct? All these different types of sounds, our ear helps us to listen to these different sounds and we recognize, and our ears with the help of the sensory nerves sends the same sound signals to our brain and makes us to understand the sound coming from different locations, different directions, and they also tells us the different direction from where the sound is coming, and also it makes us understand the sound belongs to which particular thing. Is it an animal, a human, a vehicle? What different sounds? So this is what our ears do for us. Also, it helps us to understand the difference between a gentle sound and a loud sound. Whenever we hear a nice, pleasant music, we tend to hear, we want to hear it again and again, correct? But when you hear a loud sound, maybe a DJ sound, maybe some vehicle's tire burst sound, or a simple balloon burst sound, what do we do immediate? What will be our reaction? Just to close our ears, because we don't tolerate, we don't like to hear the loud sound. The next sense organ is our skin. How do you make a difference between whether a surface is rough or a smooth? When you touch a wall, whether the wall is a smooth wall or it is a rough wall, how do you get to know? By the sense of touch. When you touch, you understand whether the wall is a smooth wall or a rough wall. Even the clothes, whenever we use some velvety clothes, we find it very soft, correct? Sometimes sweaters, jackets, which are hard cloth, we feel little roughness. How do we get to know about this? With the help of sense of our touch, the skin. Not only the surface and the smooth and rough surfaces, skin helps us to understand the difference between hot and cold. Just with seeing, can you make out whether the thing which is kept is hot or cold? No, right? Many a times we have burnt our hands touching the hot vessels immediately when our parents, when our mother has kept a dish which is our favorite, we don't, just by looking we can't make it out whether it is hot or cold. We just go and grab it and then realize it was hot. Why? Because our eyes does not help us to understand whether it is hot or cold, but it is our skin, correct? So whenever some insects bite us, right, we have itching feeling. Which sense organ helps us to do this? Whenever we are injured, we have a sense of pain. Do we have it in our brain, eyes, nose, ears? No, it is on our skin part. And one thing which we know it, which we have learned, that skin is the largest organ of our body, correct? Now coming to the nose. Nose helps us to smell different fragrances. Yes, it helps us to understand which is a good smell and bad smell. Whenever mother is cooking something really nice and you smell it, you automatically get attracted towards the kitchen, don't you? Yes. And whenever you smell a very bad smell, immediately you close your nose. Why? Because your nose has sent a signal to the brain that the smell which is coming is not a good one. It's a bad smell. Yes. And finally, coming to our eyes. Children, we all have studied and we are very well aware eyes are the wonderful gift of our nature, right? They help us to see various objects around us, correct? The difference between different objects, colors. How do we understand red, blue, green, white, yellow? Can you, with the ears, can you make out the different colors? No, right? Just by touching some object, can you make out the different colors? No, it is our eyes which helps us to understand the different colors, objects around us. Plus also our eyes helps us to judge the distance between the object. Imagine you're standing somewhere, how far an object is from you. Who helps you to understand? It is our eyes which helps us to understand. That's the reason it is very important to take care of our eyes. It's a nature's wonderful gift for us. Children, we also have understood saying that we are supposed to keep our sense organ and our body in a proper way. How do we do it? We have to clean our tongue daily. using a tongue cleaner. Once you brush your teeth, then clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner also. Because if you do not clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner, you will have a bad foul smell in your mouth. See, whenever we are speaking to someone, if they have not cleaned their tongue, their mouth stinks, right? We have to take bath daily so that we keep our skin clean, because the germs can penetrate, the germs can go inside the skin, and then we can have different rashes on our skin. When we sweat a lot, we have different red rashes on our skins, correct? When we get lots of itching, yes, this is because we might not have taken bath properly, or once we go outside, we play outside, and we are completely covered with dirt and dust, and we don't clean it and we sleep off like that. Obviously, you will have skin problems. Avoid eating too hot or too cold because it's not good for our body part. Never touch or poke anything in your eyes or ears, it might damage. Avoid reading in dim light, because when you study in a dim light, your eyes will have lots of pressure on it to see the alphabets clearly. So it is not good for our eyes. Avoid watching TV for longer time, or working on a computer or playing a video game for a long duration. And last but not the least, it's very, very, very important to do regular exercise and meditation to keep our body healthy. With this, we have finished our first chapter. Tomorrow onwards, we are going to start up a fresh new chapter, the next chapter by the name Plants Around Us. Until then, bye bye.